So love me already, I'm ready to love you tonight. I can't explain why you need me, but you need me. So need me already, I'm ready to feed you tonight. At this moment you appeal to me, it's a big deal to me that on this very day, when I feel so discombobulated, you appear to knock me on my rear. And you, sir, look so strong and understated. I don't know why you love me, but you love me. So love me already, I'm ready to love you tonight.
I'm ready for a little loving tonight, Lily.
Love me.